Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm your host. This is my YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, I will let you know. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the new upcoming videos. And this platform, it's very source of earning program. You can earn even on home. So I just let you know about this process. Okay, this is the main page of this project. So we will start from here. This is the site of this name. This is the monograph of this one. You can change your language. Okay, this is plus USDT. This is the name of this one. Save money, save time. Okay, here you can take a sport also. Okay, and you have to register this one. Register by email or register by phone. Okay, you have to put here email. You have to put here your password. Here is already invitation is here, and then sign in. Sign up. So because I already have an account, so I will straight away I go for the sign in. So you can see I have an account, so straight away I will go for sign in. So here we go, we will see. So after this announcement will come on the page, you will see this page, and when plus 500 making money process, the latest investment project, it's now open for individual user. Okay, anyone can invest for free. Anyone can invest for free. Payment or automatically deposit into your account in 24 hours a day. Funds are monitored and managed by Wells Fargo to avoid loss of investor. Okay, so you here down I will go for I will show you all the packages here down. See, here is the VIP 1. Recharge amount is 12 USDT. Daily income is 3 USDT. Like VIP 2, 88 USDT. You have to invest, and daily income is 22. So like this, it's up to you where you invest like this. Okay, it's up to you. So you have to go down. You have to go down all this. Here all the information. So where we go process next. Here is the recharge option, and I will show you it will upgrade again. So I will show you this one. This is the recharge option, and this is the company profile. Withdraw here. Okay, and save money like before I told you. This is the main page of this one, and this is the monogram of here. Okay, and here main thing is here you see it's a task reset. Okay, so my VIP one is open already. Okay, so this one you can see this is unlocked. Down you can see this is locked. This is the example I'm giving you just. Okay, like this all VIP levels are there. Okay, here you see the investors are showing on step by step who they invest in this site. Okay, so this is the regulatory authority who they are monitoring. So the next I'm going to show you the how to recharge. Okay, so we go just up. We open this one, VIP 1. Here it will show us the task for the one day. This is showing here my task, you can see. So this is my task. I have to do only one time in a day. Just you have to do this. Just press the complete button. Okay, when you complete, it will show you it is completed. Okay, and we go here, it's showing here 15. So I show you the recharge option, how to recharge. You have to go to recharge. You have to copy the address, copy successfully. Okay, copy the address. Even you can go by QR, you can copy from here, and you have to press recharge complete, and then the VIP will be open. Okay, so we go here, I copy this one, I go my wallet, I paste here, address, and put the amount 12 USDT. Okay, so then press the next button. Okay, so this is when I do there complete, when I complete that one, it is showing here $15. So this is the team here. See, you can see this one here. Main thing, you can, when you share with your friends, you even from there you can earn a money. Okay, you have to copy from here, and share your each and every platform, and you can earn by team size. Okay, you can earn by team size. You see here, dollars will show here, first day income, team withdrawal, you can withdraw, everything will show here. Then what will happen, the levels will go up. Levels details are here. Level 1 13% commission percentage, level 2 3%, level 3 1%. Like this you have to work out. Okay, here showing all the VIP 1. Like I told you, VIP 1 I did already. You can see here daily profit, it is showing here a daily profit. VIP 1 it's showing here already $3 USD. So I already earn. So on daily basis I can earn $3. So when you invest on daily risk, you start with the small or start with the high, it's up to you. Okay, so play smart, be smart. This is all the platform here. Here your main page, recharge, and I will show you the how to withdraw our money. Now, before I told you about the recharge, here all the things are here. You can change your password, you can sign out, you can log in, your account detail, financial record, transfer record, everything is here. Then I will go here. Here it's showing my earning. My, like, $3 I earn from here. So I put USD. So main thing, when I tell you, when you have your wallet account, right? You have to put your wallet account here. Here it will ask the password. Then you press the button confirm. It will go automatically in your. So I will show you the proof also. So I have to press here. I post my address. I put my number here. Okay, I put all my details here. Here I will put how much I have to withdraw. So $3 I have to withdraw. So when I press here, after this I will press confirm. So withdraw is successfully showing here. So as usual, I will put on the USDT record, which one is received in my wallet. So I will go my wallet. So this is in my wallet. You can see the USDT, time and everything. It's here. It's already in my account. So thank you for this. You have to join this platform if you wanna earn, if you wanna grow, if you are fed up from everything. You have to go for this platform. You can earn in your home, sitting on bed while enjoying and everything. Thank you for this. Straight away I will go back to my back. This one here will be show. So what happened on next reset, it's showing here again. You can see here the task is time is reset. Okay, so what will happen, see, it's still open. Okay, when I invest in this one, it will show here, it will be updated on VIP 2 level. So like this, by step you can go and you can earn. So we go back here, we see task is in process. Okay, So here is time is running, task reset after 23 hours. I have a task for the day, but when after completing the reset time. Thank you so much for seeing this channel, my page. Thank you from the host. Good luck and goodbye. Thank you. Bye bye.